Good afternoon, my Facebooker friends. Me, Professor Pankaj, retired Professor Pankaj from NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, as well as from ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Uh, the best what I supposed to be. Well, in spite of having a discussion about the quantum mechanics with few of my 12th standard students, I realized still they have a difficulty in factorizing the simple quadratic expressions. Well, of course, I should say that today I'm living with a very nice memories. One really nice teacher had come in my life. Maybe I say 30% of me exists because of him. So, just for the sake of that, I would like to elaborate what the good things had come to me because of that man. Traveling, maybe I'll say the one more instinct, whatever it exists, because of that, the same man. So, let's talk about factorizing the quadratic expression by his style, of course. Again, I mean by common sense. Let's leave the straightforward path, whatever has been laid by our ancestors. So I write a quadratic expression. All I say is 3x square plus 2x minus 8. The board at present is whatever I'm using. It's called as in journal. Good people just step into my life. I don't know how it's made and how it will be made. Uh, the particular quadratic expression, I'll say it's t minus. T minus means what? It's nothing concerned with terminators. T minus means trinomial minus. It has been said with respect to this last sign or sign of the last term. T minus. So means I'm gonna factorize this particular expression in such a way that I'm gonna see the subtraction between the two of the factors. Now how it's been said. Now the best part is who the people they come with also some reputed school from 10th standard and on. While teaching they encountered the same problem when they were studying maths in 12th. So let's try to elaborate this. First what I'll do it, I'll put the two brackets. Well, as in then 3x square. 3x square I can break it down according to my wish. So let's say I'll say 3x into x. I'll cancel this. You can see how the toolbar is operated. It's the nice software. Well, I mean, it's a nice board, in fact. 3x square. So all I'll say 3x into 3x and x. I split up the first term as 3x into x. Now again it comes to be as 8. How you want to split up 8? So I can go for as 4 twos are, let's say the first possibility. 8 ones are, maybe as a second one. Well, again, let me also say, this is not the straightforward way what the people they used to do it. Means the school teachers and all. This is our way, the Mustang way. What we do it, I'll just also find the different combinations which I'll multiply. It should give me 8. 4 twos are 8, 8 ones are 8, maybe as that. So let's choose this 4 twos are. 4 twos are, if I'll choose, so I'll write 2 over here, no, 2 over here and 4 over here, for example. Then you have to follow the two procedures. Now, again, to make the thing look more lucrative and all, I try to put some onomatopoeic effect. It's been, of course, done by the same professor. I'll find, first of all, what they call as tadak. You can pronounce as tadak. And then second, I'll find todok. This is called as todok. This I'll say it's called as tadak. And I'll call this as todok. Now what tadak it equal to? We'll say it's 12x. And what 2x is equal to? We'll say it's equal to 2x. Now since it's trinomial minus, I should see the difference between the two of the factors. So 12x minus 2x will gonna be give me, I'll say 10x, which of course is not this. So whatever I've done, this means I put 2 in here and 4 in here, which gives me 10x, which is not equal to this. It's not good. So let's go for the different combination. What is the different combination? 3x, I'll put it, and x, I'll put it like this. But now instead of putting 2 over here and 4 over there, I'll interchange. I'll say 4 over here and 2 over there. Again, I'll find tadak. This is the long destination is called as tadak, and the short is called as todok. So what now? Tadak is equal to 6x, and what's todok is equal to 4x. Since it's nicely trinomial minus. And why it is trinomial minus? Because the last term sign is negative. So now suppose if I say 6x minus 4x, this nicely comes as 2x. Well, the 2x looks good. But now I'm coming to the, I'll say, the last part of the final discussion, or the final discussion of this is I need to have now plus 2x. So 6x, I should put it positive. So I'll put plus in here. That will give me plus 6x. I hope it's clear. Well, as in these 4x I'll multiply. I need to have minus 4x. I'll put minus. So the moral of the story is the factors of 3x square plus 2x minus 8. It's going to be 3x minus 4x. Sorry, 3x minus 4 into bracket x plus 2. Now why again I would like to say that I saw the subtraction, because it was trinomial minus. Better be sure about this. There are many of the different categories what it comes. Trinomial minus, trinomial plus. Trinomial plus, it's been said as when there is an addition between these, I'll say. So when there will be a plus sign for the last term. And we'll see the addition between the factors, means tadak and todok are the two of the factors, whatever we have. I'll see the addition between the two of the factors. See if we can go on with these kinds of procedure for factorizing the trinomial expressions like this. Let's consider one more example, maybe. What we say as 8x square, I'll take it as plus 4. And what I should say now, and I'll say the last term, let's take it as 18. No, not the last term, sorry, in between term I'll take it as 18. So now of course, second example, whatever we are discussing, it's again the quadratic expression what we have. Why I said it's trinomial plus, because again the last term is positive. I'll try to factorize this. 8x square, maybe I should say 4x into 2x, means 8x, I'll break it as 4x into 2x. Of course, this 4x into 2x, it depends on your wish. 4, maybe I'll say 4 ones are 4. You can take it as 2 twos are 4, or maybe in some other ways you can move on. This 4 I can put it over here, 1 I can put it over there. So, but let's take it in that way now, whatever I started with. Maybe in the first attempt you may not get the proper result, but you can go on shuffling the list. Maybe a little bit of the common sense, whatever you use, you will get the factors as early as possible. Now let's put the sign. No, first let's check the tadak todok stuff. What is tadak? 4 4 is 16. What is todok? It is 2. Means tadak I'll write over here, which is 16x, and todok I'll write over here. It is, I'll say, 2x. Now of course what we're gonna see, I'll say, between these two of the factors, what we got, addition or subtraction, because the last term is positive. Of course I should say addition, which is equal to 18x. So it looks nice and fine, it looks beautiful, it looks meticulous. So then, since I need minus 18x, and there has to be a addition between tadak and todok, both has to be with the same sign. So I'll put them negative and negative. And 4x minus 1 into 2x minus 4 will gonna be the factors of this particular binomial, not binomial, I mean to say quadratic expression. Well, maybe I'll say that makes some common sense for you all. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.